If your workflow requires taking regular screenshots on your MacBook or Mac Pro, then you'll need to know 3 common keyboard shortcuts. Make sure your screen displays exactly what you want to show in your screenshot image. Ensure all the relevant windows are visible. 1. To take a screenshot of the entire screen, press Shift-Command-3. Find your screenshot on your desktop. It will be saved as screenshot, labeled with the date and time. 2. To take a screenshot of part of the screen, press Shift-Command-4. 3. If you want to capture a specific window, press Shift-Command-4. Hit the spacebar. The crosshair will turn into a small camera. You can press spacebar again to switch back to the reticle. Click on the window. The picture of the window you selected will be saved to the desktop by default, just like the other screenshot methods. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friend. If you want to know how to do everything, subscribe to the channel.